Hey everyone, want to crochet a heart in minutes? In this video, I'll show you a super easy step-by-step tutorial that even beginners can easily follow. So grab your yarn and hook. Let's make the cutest little heart together. So stay tuned till the end of the video because I'll be explaining where and all you can use this heart for. So this can be absolute beginner's first project. This is the super easy heart. So let's get started. For this I have taken some weight 4 yarn. This heart is made using weight 4 yarn, and this is weight 3 yarn, and this is weight 2 fine yarn. So you can see the difference in the gauge. So today for this tutorial I have taken weight 4 yarn. This is an anti-pill yarn. So now we will start by making a slip knot. If you're an absolute beginner and don't know how to make a slip knot, I will leave link to my videos in the iCard. You can go and check. After making a slip knot, we will make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chains. Now we will insert the hook into the first chain and make the following. So first we will make 3 triple crochet inside this first chain. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, make 3 triple crochet. 1, second one, third one, after making 3 triple crochet, we will make 3 double crochet in the same chain gap. So yarn over once, so first double crochet, now the second one, third one, so far we made 3 triple crochet, 3 double crochet, all in the same chain gap, and now we will make a triple crochet. So yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. As you can see, this is the half of this heart. So this triple crochet comes exactly at the bottom peak. So this is the triple crochet we just made. After this, we will make 3 double crochet. So the first double crochet, second double crochet, and third double crochet. After making 3 double crochet, we will make 3 triple crochet just like we did this side. The first triple crochet, second one, and third one. So after making 3 triple crochet, we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch in the same gap. After making this, we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 3 single crochet on top of the first triple crochet. So you can see this is the first triple crochet and the chain on top of this triple crochet is this one. So on that chain gap we will make 3 single crochet. After making 3 single crochet, we will make 3 single crochet in the next chain gap. So 1, 2, 3. And then in the next 4 chains, so this is the first, second, third and fourth. On these we will make 1 single crochet in each chain gap. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After making 4 single crochet in each chain gap, on top of this triple crochet, we will make a single crochet, and then after making a single crochet, we will chain 2 and make 1 more single crochet in the same chain gap. And then follow the same. This is the on top of this last triple crochet. So we made a single crochet, chain 2 single crochet, and in the next 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, in the next 4 chain, we will make single crochet in each chain. So first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. After making 4 single crochet, now we have 2 more triple crochet here. Just like we did 3 single crochet on top of every triple crochet on this side, we will do the same this side. Make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. And on top of this triple crochet, we will make 3 single crochet again. So after this, we will chain 3 and slip stitch here. In this chain gap, insert the hook and slip stitch. So after making this, you can make chain 1 and cut your yarn to get this. If you make some chains and then slip stitch in the same chain gap like this, so make as many chain as you want, and then you can slip stitch here in the same chain gap. That creates a keychain like this. You can use it as a keychain, or you can use it as it is. So for this project, I'll be ending here. After making slip stitch, we will chain 1, cut this yarn and slowly remove the yarn to secure your work. You just need to weave this tail. So to weave the tail, follow the same for this one and cut the excess yarn. As I mentioned earlier, you can either use it as a keychain or you can take an hair clip and stick it on it and use it as a hair clip, or you can also stick it on a gift box. It adds an extra handmade charm to your gift, and you can also use it on your sweaters and caps. You can use your creativity and use this as you want. Thank you.